los plátanos. These are bananas that we're going to be cutting up. Los vamos a cortar en redonditas. Aquí los vamos a pelar primeramente. We're going to first peel them. And then we are going to cut them. Los vamos a pelar y luego los vamos a cortar. Es aproximadamente un manojo. It's approximately between 5 to 6 bananas. Because I am making different reciprocals. So voy a hacer más o menos unos 3 recipientes. Esta es la canela, cinnamon, y eso es lo que vamos a hacer con ella. La vamos a poner a hervir con tantito, unas 2 especies de anís estrella. So we're making it boil. This is cinnamon boiling with at least 2 star anise so that we can soak up the bread. And this is the brown sugar, la azúcar morena que le vamos a poner para que se derrita y toda, so that it all melts down. It has such a delicious flavor, and the smell is absolutely wonderful. El olor es absolutamente bonito y va a saber riquísimo. Ahorita estamos con los cacahuates porque los cacahuates estaban crudos. Los vamos a cocinar. The peanuts were raw peanuts, so right now what we're doing is we're cooking them, so that way when we put it on the capirotada, they'll be done. But the smells, oh my goodness. Quisiera que pudieran oler todo esto, está absolutamente delicioso. Y ahora los vamos a tener que pelar because they had peel in them. So we're going to have to peel them right now and take off the peel. And don't worry about it. This is a work of art, work of love. Es una cosa que hacemos con amor. Es para nuestras familias. These are for our families. And you can get the kids to come in and help you out with this. Le pueden decirle a sus hijos o nietos, niños, que les ayuden a hacer esto. Siempre y cuando se laven las manos. Of course, they have to wash their hands. Even you have to wash your hands, please. Por favor, lávense las manos. Este es el pan. Lo vamos a estar cortando. Hay de diferentes tipos de pan. El pan tiene que estar durito. Lo vamos a, no nada más que esté tostadito, si ahorita lo vamos a, que esté duro, lo vamos a tostar en mantequilla también, acuérdense de eso. So we're using all types of day-old bread, and then we're gonna toast it up with butter, saute it in a pan, and it's all kinds. As long as it's not a savory type of bread, you can use the bread, okay? And here's the butter, que es la mantequilla. I use real butter, I don't use the fake stuff. Usen mantequilla verdadera, por favor. Y no importa que esté salada. It doesn't matter if it's salted butter. It's just delicious. You see, and we're just turning them around, and they're just getting browned up. And put them to the side. Nada más estamos haciendo los que se pongan un cafecito y ya nada más los estamos volteando. Y una vez que estén hechos eso, los vamos a poner a un lado. Porque no queremos que estén remojadísimos. We don't want them to be all wet. They're just going to be nicely browned. And pick up all that rich butter. This is one of our authentic Mexican stovetop pots that we can do it in. I really... unless you've done it before, because remember, a lot of people in Mexico do not have stoves, so what they use is they do it on the stove top, or they use it on an open fire. So muchas veces la gente de nuestro país, México, no puede hacer la capirotada dentro de un horno, la tiene que hacer arriba de la estufa, o simplemente que si no tienen arriba de una fogata. Pero aquí tenemos el coco, aquí son las pasa uvas. So it's the raisins, the shredded coconut, the peanuts that we're going to put in there. And here we go. Viene siendo la canela con la azúcar morena y la estrella anís. Aquí estamos ya poniendo el pan. We are putting the bread down. As you can see, fill it up. We've got the bananas, we've got the coconut, raisins. Some people even put peeled apples in it. Unas personas también le ponen hasta manzanas ya peladitas y se las ponen ahí en redondas. You just fill it up, and you know it's smelling really good already. Okay, and we're pouring over the water with canela, or it could even be like, you could call it a tea, a sugar tea. And it doesn't. A lot of people start at the bottom with the first layer. They try to put the cinnamon water, but I don't recommend that because then it'll be super soggy. And I know it's bread pudding, but you still want a little bit, not so much of a crunch, but you just want to have it a little bit to be whole. So aquí ya las vamos a poner al horno. We put it in the oven. Y ahora vamos a sacarlo. ¡Delicioso! Miren lo que está. Absolutely delicious. And remember, this is a family recipe. We have found a couple books that have found similar recipes, but everybody makes it differently. But the recipe that I am giving you is my mom's. And that's what was left over after somebody had a midnight snack.